Hello, bonsai friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to talk about one of the most magical bonsais out there, the Sarisa bonsai, often called the tree of 1,000 stars because of those tiny star-like flowers. Isn't it enchanting? If you're caring for a Sarisa or thinking of getting one, I've got 3 essential tips to keep this beauty thriving. Let's dive in. All right, tip number 1, light and placement. Sarisas love bright, indirect light. They'll be happiest near a sunny window where they get lots of light but without the harsh, direct rays of the afternoon sun. Think morning light, soft, gentle, and perfect for helping them bloom. Once you find that perfect spot, try to keep them there. Sarisas are a bit sensitive and like consistency in their environment. So find that sweet spot, leave them there, and watch them shine. Moving on to tip number 2, watering. Sarisas like a good drink, but they don't like their roots to sit in water. The best way to water is to check the soil's top layer. If it feels slightly dry, it's time for a drink. I recommend watering slowly, letting the water soak in rather than rushing through. Also, make sure your pot has good drainage so the roots stay healthy and avoid that dreaded wet feet situation. Keeping the soil just right is the secret to a happy Sarisa. Tip 3 is all about humidity. Sarisas thrive in a humid environment, so if you're in a dry climate or have indoor heating, a little extra moisture in the air will do wonders. You can mist your bonsai every day, or even better, set it on a humidity tray. Just add some pebbles and water in a shallow dish and place your Sarisa on top. As the water evaporates, it creates a lovely little cloud of humidity around your tree, just what it needs to stay lush and green. And that's it. 3 essential tips for a thriving, happy Sarisa bonsai. To recap, give it bright, indirect light, keep the soil just right with careful watering, and boost the humidity for a healthy glow. With a bit of love and attention, your Sarisa will reward you with those dazzling blooms and vibrant green leaves. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future bonsai tips. And if you're caring for a Sarisa or thinking of adding one to your collection, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep those bonsais blooming and remember, happy plants, happy life. See you soon.